Struggling with head wrap, right? Come closer. Do you like this one on my head and you want to do it yourself? You are in the right place. So stick around and watch how we're going to do this together. Okay? In 2 minutes we are done. Get 2 rubber bands, get 2 office pin, get your material, and get focused. That's all you need, and you are done. The aso-oke material I will be using, and the funniest thing is I do not know the style I want to create right now, but I know I want to create something beautiful, and I'll be trying it out. Then anyways, let me just go ahead. So this is the aso-oke. It's a 3 layers joint aso-oke, and it is embellished with stone. Okay, so I will use something is coming to my brain, like I should fold into two like this, like I should fold the material into two just like this. And what do we do? I should just go like this. I should just split the open parts. You know, we have the closed parts like this, we have the open part. So the open part, I'm going to close it up. I'm going to close it up by pleating down like this. I'm going to close it by pleating down. I have my band. This is rubber band. I'm going to use to wrap it like that. I'm going to use to grab it. So after grabbing like this, what should I do? What to do right now? But I'm thinking I should I place it like this? That should be the best bet for now. So I'm going to just place like this. Go up like this. The beads are removing. The beads are removing. So this is what I have here. Band that I'll be using. Yeah, along the line, I forgot that I supposed to explain what I'm doing. I'm not alone. So guys, I grab another set of band and I use it to grab the excess that falls at the back. So after grabbing it up like this, watch my hand and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to direct that excess at the back to the side and twist it. Please, if you want to use a band that matches with the color of your fabric so it's not as obvious as mine. So I twisted it up like this, then I directed it upward and loosen up a band up here like this, raise it up and dip the excess into it. Make sure all adjustables are being adjusted. Do you get that? Now after adjusting, I came back to the front where I want to bring out the beauty of this head wrap, and I use my hand to fold in the edges bit by bit. You see this edge down, I directed it downward, and I use a pin to hold it down. After pinning it down, I have another edge up which I'll just fold a bit down. Look at my hand, watch my hand. So I'm trying to adjust here. So I'm going to go, this is the head I'm talking about. I just folded it in a bit, pick a pin again and secure it. Just press it down with that pin. And what you have next is just to make sure that you touch all places that need to be touched. Make sure you adjust your gele, your head wrap, okay? And after adjusting, I am done. So guys, if you have watched this length, I believe you like what you see. So hit on the subscribe button, drop a like and leave a comment below. Which head wrap style do you want me to do again? Let me know and I'll see you.